This is going to be a video product review of the orange chicken at Bristol Farms. This was purchased in Westchester on Lincoln, off of Manchester. If you check my channel out, you'll see that I did a video review a couple days ago about food from Wacky Walk in Westchester and how pathetic it was. And in that video, you can see the portion of orange chicken is so tiny, and probably 90% of the meal is rice. So spending about $13, $13 to get a huge container of rice and a tiny little portion of orange chicken that not only did it not taste like chicken, but it didn't have the glaze that you normally would have on there. It didn't have the nice big pieces of chicken, and it didn't have the soft tenderness of the chicken. So Bristol Farms carries this, I believe, at all of their stores. They put it out twice a day. You used to be able to get it in the little buffet thing. You used to be able to serve it yourself. Now they prepackage it because of the pandemic. This container is, first off, you can see the big pieces of chicken. You can see there are little pieces of red pepper on there. It's not spicy. It does have a tiny little zing to it, but not spicy. So it is good. This container was completely filled up. I think I took a photograph. I'm going to post that right now. So you're looking at the size of the portion for about, they sell this for $9.99 a pound. And it's already prepackaged, as I said, because of the pandemic. So this thing was about $10.50 for the pack, for the container. They had other containers that were less than a pound, about $7.50, $8. So they had a variety. The chicken is tender. The chicken pieces are huge. The chicken is delicious. The orange glaze, there is actually a glaze there. A lot of Chinese restaurants will sell orange chicken or tangerine chicken. They take tiny little pieces of whatever they've got, maybe a little itty bitty piece of chicken. They throw a ton of the, whatever this is, the breading on top, and then they fry it, and so you really can't taste the chicken, but they're able to sell a container of fried whatever it is with some type of coating on it. This is actually chicken, real big pieces of chicken, and it has the glaze coating. You can see it. It's not even warm right now, but you can see the glaze is shiny. That's how you know you're getting real glazed orange chicken. And it's delicious. So, as I said, the container was completely packed. All those spaces, I probably ate about 6 pieces, and they were 6 large pieces. So my suggestion, if you're looking for good orange chicken, go pick it up at Bristol Farms. I would rather spend $10.50, I guess, with tax. I bought one for me, one for my mom. So I'd say with tax, this is probably $10, maybe $11, and it's good, it's tasty, it's real chicken. I would rather buy this for $11, $11.50, than to go to Wacky Walk or some other takeout place and get a really subpar quality orange chicken with 99% rice included, or 90% or 80% or whatever they do. The whole point is to get the orange chicken. So pick the stuff up, Bristol Farms. Not many places in Westchester, Playa del Rey that have good takeout. Most of them are very poor, and they do have people there, but that's probably because there aren't any other places to eat out. Can you say eat out? There aren't any places to eat out, to take out, to get food in the area. So this is a secret a lot of people don't know about. Orange chicken, Bristol Farms. While you're in there, go spend $3.25, $3.50, and grab one of their muffins made in the bakery that's in the display case right across from the chicken. And I think you'll be happy. You'll be full, you'll be happy, you'll be getting good quality food, made properly, that tastes good, and is not a disgrace. And you won't get any attitude from the employees like you do at these other places. So nowadays with the pandemic, people are saying, it's a hard job working in a restaurant, and they don't leave you tips, and the customers are rude. I'll tell you, the people they've got in some of these restaurants right now, as rude as could be, the attitude, unbelievable. They don't care. They're there to pay the rent and nothing else. So let them just go out of business. Go to a place like this where you get a real decent meal. Yeah, it's going to cost you a little bit of money, but at least you're going to get a good meal. Thumbs up, subscribe, like, share, leave a comment, donate. Links in the video description, along with affiliate links. Thanks for watching.